We're going to move to activity 1. It says, here is a recipe for tuna casserole. We have 3 cups of cooked elbow-shaped pasta, 6 ounces of canned tuna, 10-ounce canned cream of chicken soup, 1 cup shredded cheddar cheese, and 1.5 cups of French fried onions. Now, if this grosses you out, it's just for a math, so just let it go. It says the instructions are down here. You're going to combine the pasta, tuna soup, and half of the cheese. Transfer it into a 9-inch by 18-inch baking dish. Put the remaining cheese on top, and then you're going to bake it for 30 minutes at 350 degrees. And then during the last 5 minutes, you're going to put on the French fried onions and let it sit for 10 minutes before serving. Problem 1 says, what is the ratio of the ounces of soup to the cups of shredded cheese to then the cups of pasta in one batch of casserole? So we are comparing 3 items here. What we put in between each of our ratios are these colons. Okay, and we're going to now look at our original ingredients. How many ounces of soup did it tell you? 10 ounces, right? So we're going to put a 10 here. What about the cups of shredded cheese? Should be 1. And the cups of pasta. And it should be 3. And that is our original ratio for ounces of soup to the cups of shredded cheese and to the cups of pasta. We have 3 numbers for the 3 items that we needed. We are going to continue using these 3 ingredients that are right here. This is soup, this is cheese, and this is pasta. It says, what is twice the amount of casserole? I want you to figure out that new ratio. Find twice the amount. If you're stuck, think about what twice the amount means. It means to double something. To double something, we know how to do that. Or we can also think of it as multiplying by 2. All right, if you doubled this or had twice the amount, we'd multiply all of them by 2. So 2 times 10 would give me 20 ounces of soup, 2 cups of cheese, and 6 cups of pasta. Now you're going to try B and do the same thing, except we're going to half the amount. So you're going to multiply all 3 of these original numbers, always going back to the original, and we're going to multiply all of them by half. If you are unsure what to do, I have now put it on the screen. 10 times a half would equal 10 over 2. 10 divided by 2 would give me 5. So I would have 5 ounces of soup. 1 times a half would just be half of cheese, half cup. And then 3 times a half would give me 3 over 2. And I would need to divide that to figure out what that is. That would be 1.5 or 1.5 cups of pasta.